reported strong revenue gains this quarter. For more on the company's earnings, we are joined right now on the phone by Jamie Friedman of Susquehanna International Group. Jamie is a top-ranked analyst covering Visa, according to Bloomberg data. He has a positive rating on the stock price target, 115. Jamie, thanks so much for joining us. So Visa seems to be saying second quarter profits up 33%, and you actually had revenue growth at the high end. U.S. credit card spending rising for the first time in 2008. Is this a sign that consumers are feeling better?
Good morning, Deirdre. Yes, absolutely. A couple of things that jump out at you was the recovery in credit. So Visa's best known for its debit products, and about 60% of its volume comes from debit. This quarter was largely about credit. We saw a 600 basis point delta. Credit went from 0.6% to 6.6% just quarter on quarter. So a big acceleration in the credit portfolio for Visa.
And we know, I mean, since you're talking about credit, Jamie, I just want to bring it back to the average household. If people default, if people just don't pay their credit card bills, that actually doesn't affect companies like Visa or MasterCard, right? They have no risk.
That's right. The brands or associations, Visa and Master, we'll call the brands, they do not carry credit risk. Those are held by the card issuers themselves, meaning the banks that issue your card.
So basically, they make money when we do more transactions. And one thing that stuck out as well is that they seem to be getting a greater increase here of international transactions. Are Americans traveling more?
Good observation. When you buy the ticker V, you just get the domestic company, no Europe. Europe Visa is a separate entity. When you and I travel abroad, that's right, they charge more, and international rose 22% on a spike in cross-border travel.
And Jamie, we know you like, excuse me, the stock. We know Visa, at least as far as market share goes, is ahead of MasterCard. It also seems like Visa continues to gain market share, widening the gap.
I just emphasize that as well as Visa does in credit, MasterCard is better known for its credit portfolio. What I mean by that is that Visa is more debit than credit. Master is more credit than debit. I think these numbers bode well for the MasterCard numbers next week.
Thank you very much. Jamie Friedman joining us from Susquehanna International Group.